Is a device not working properly after a driver problem? Reinstalling its driver can often help. In this guide, I'll show you how to reinstall a driver using Device Manager and what to do if Windows doesn't restore it automatically. First, open Start, search for Device Manager, and select it. Find the hardware you're having trouble with, then expand its category to see the device. Right-click the device and select Uninstall Device. If Windows shows an option to remove the driver package, use it only when you specifically want a fresh driver installation. Then confirm the uninstall. Once the device is removed, restart your computer. Windows can automatically detect the hardware again and reinstall a compatible driver. Yeah, this is usually the simplest way to complete the process. If the device doesn't come back after restarting, open Device Manager again. Select the Action menu, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will search for connected hardware and may restore the missing device. If Windows still doesn't install the driver, download the correct driver from the hardware manufacturer's official website. Then right-click the device, select Update Driver, and choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the downloaded driver and follow the prompts. After installation, open the device's properties and select the Driver tab. Check the driver version and date, then open the General tab to make sure Device Status reports that the device is working properly. And that's how to reinstall a driver through Device Manager. Start with a restart, use Scan for hardware changes if needed, and install the official driver manually when Windows can't do it for you. So take your time and choose the correct driver for your hardware.